Spending hours on one reel and it still looks mid? Here are 3 text animations that'll instantly level up your edits. I know you don't have time to build these from scratch. Just comment text and I'll send you the presets.
Hi everyone, today we will make another 3D reel. So open your CapCut and let's begin. As you can see, the background is there in the starting, so I'll bring my background. Okay, and then this text is there, spending hours on one reel. So I've already prepared the text. Okay, I'll just bring it. Okay, so I'll tell you the font name. I have written this big font from Cobalt Bold. Okay, and this small one I have written using Glorify Demo. You can get these for free both on Google. Just search for the font name. Okay, and in the start, as you can see, there is this clock animation, so I'll bring my clock. Okay, I'll just put it here. Then in the start, what I'll do is hit on transform keyframe. Okay, zoom it out like this, go ahead and then zoom it back up like this. Okay, hit Alt plus K and let's smoothen this animation out by hitting cubic out. Let's bring the keyframes closer so the animation is faster. Okay, now what we have to do is just keep these two farther apart so that the clock is visible. Okay, let me just put this a little bit below. Yeah, so now we have got the starting, but as you can see there is text animation too, so we'll just hit on this. Okay, and for now we will select simple text animation. For this I'll select fade in, and for this one I'll be selecting type 2. I'll just increase the duration. Okay, I'll just take this text and move it a bit forward. Okay, and as you can see the scene is zooming out. Okay, so just I'll select everything, make this as big as the clock, and then hit Alt plus G. Okay, then first I'll hit video transform and I will zoom this in first, and then I will go front and then make it 100. Okay, so this will give zoom out effect. Now I'll hit Alt plus K and do the keyframe animation for this. Yeah, so now we have got the zoom out animation. Okay, now after this goes to the left and this comes and it still looks mid. So I got this from internet. Okay, so I'll just bring it here, but first I'll move the scene out. So it comes here, stays for a while, then hit on transform keyframe, go ahead and drag this out. Okay, now hit Alt plus K and then hit on quaddies. Okay, now bring the keyframes closer. Okay, now for the next scene I have again prepared the text, so this will be here. Okay, and what we can do is just make this smaller. Okay, and bring the text a bit closer to the animation, and then I will make this big, hit Alt plus G to make it a compound clip. Okay, then just above this I will keep this one and do the same animation, just this will coming in. Okay, now as you can see this is going out that side to the left and up, so this will come from the right and down. Okay, so I'll just put this here. Okay, and this will come like this. Now I'll hit Alt plus K and do the same animation, quad ease. So the animation will look something like this. Okay, so after this comes in and then it goes up. Okay, so this will come, stay here for a while, hit on video, go again ahead and drag this up. Hit Alt plus K. This time let's select cubic out. Okay, then we'll bring our this pillar. One I'll make very big. Okay, and the rest two will be small but equal sizes. Okay, now I've placed them, so this will come up. Okay, first the middle one will come and then the other two will come. So what we can do is, first we'll just select the middle one, and I forgot to bring these images on top. Okay, just put it here like this, and then I'll just make two copies. Okay, first I'll make it small, put it here, make another copy, and then drag it to the side. Okay, now that is done. Now just select the middle one and select this and make it a compound clip. Okay, so this will become one compound clip and the rest will become another compound clip. I made two compound clips because, as you can see, this is animating separately and these two are animating separately. Okay, so I'll bring this here. Okay, and hit on transform, again hit on transform here, bring it in the middle like this, go to the first keyframe and then drag it down. Now I'll hit Alt plus K to open this and hit cubic out. Okay, then I'll put this here, bring it a bit down, hit on transform, and again hit on transform here and bring it up like this. Now I'll head on to animation. First I'll hit fade in animation, and then I will head on to Y axis and hit cubic out. Okay, so we have got this animation, only the text and sparkle remains. So text I've already made, so I'll just bring it here. Okay, as this scene is too big, so I'll just make everything a compound clip, make it smaller, and then I'll just bring the text here like this. Okay, now I'll just select these, hit on fade in animation, and match it the timing. Okay, now for the sparkle, actually what you can do is just head on to Google and this, and what you can do is Yes, select sparkle green screen. Okay, and then you will get this. Okay, so just download this, okay, from here, and what you can do is put it here and then remove the green screen. So how you'll remove the green screen? Just go to remove BG, chroma key, select this, okay, and select the color picker tool and select the green area, okay, and the green screen will be removed. So that is how you will do that. So after that, this scene will come. Okay, so it is coming up and then it's zooming in a bit and then fading out. So what you will do is you select everything, make a compound clip, then from here you will select transform keyframe, go ahead, again hit transform keyframe, zoom in a bit, also hit blend and go to the starting, also hit blend, but don't hit on the starting, hit the blend keyframe here. So blend keyframe starting will be here and ending will be where the transform keyframe is ending, and then decrease the opacity. So you'll get like this. Okay, and from here, as it is fading out, we have to bring our next animation, which is that will instantly level up your edits. Okay, so I'll just bring the text and bring the line animation too. Okay, and here what I'll do, as it is mixing with the background, I'll just cut the background from here, head on to adjust and darken it a bit. This I'll make it bigger. Okay, put it behind. Okay, I'll make this more dark. Yeah, so I'll put this here. Okay, and when it is starting to fade out, I'll bring everything there. Okay, select these all and cut it, select and compound clip, and then select this and fade it in. Okay, so let's see the animation till now. Okay, so okay, now what you have to do is just, this animation is very easy. Okay, this text animation, you can do this easily. And in the last part, okay, this animation is for you to practice, but I have given you the resources to practice this. So basically, you'll bring this here, bring this here. Okay, these two assets, hit on mask, add mask, split. Okay, and then give it a fading like this, put it here. Now you have to select everything and hit Alt+G to make this whole a compound. So you'll get this. Okay, then write the text. Okay, and then this last is just text. So with this, our animation is over. I will also provide you the separate audio file so you can practice with audio. See you in the next video.